Tired of soggy salads and messy kitchens? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. Let's kick things off with the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner priced at $32.95. What grabbed my attention is its one-touch pump system. Honestly, it makes drying your greens a breeze. If you want a hassle-free way to prep your salads, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The one-touch pump gives you maximum drying with minimal effort, which is exactly what you need when you're in a hurry. It holds a decent 6.22 quart capacity, so you can prep enough for the whole family in one go. Plus, the non-skid base keeps it stable while you're spinning away, so no more chasing it across the counter. The lid comes apart for easy cleaning, and all parts are dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for busy folks. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your salad game and want something that really works, the size is a minor inconvenience compared to the efficiency it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking to simplify your salad prep without compromising on quality. But if you're short on counter space and only make small salads, you might want to consider something more compact. Now, if the OXO's size is a concern for you, the next option is definitely worth checking out. Product number 2, Cuisinart 3QT Salad Spinner. Next up is the Cuisinart Salad Spinner, which comes in at a budget-friendly $17.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its user-friendly spin knob. It's super easy to use. If you want something quick and efficient, this one's a solid contender. So why does this product stand out? With a 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for small salads or a quick wash of fruits and veggies. The unique spin knob means you can add and drain water without taking the lid off, which is a game changer when you're in a rush. Plus, the clear base doubles as a serving bowl, making it not just a spinner but a versatile kitchen companion. And the non-skid base, it keeps everything in place, preventing any messy spills. However, there are a few complaints about it being on the smaller side for larger batches. But if you're usually preparing meals for 1 or 2, this size is just right, and it won't take up too much space in your cabinets. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, compact solution for quick salads. But if you often cook for a crowd, you might want to look at those with a larger capacity. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger families. Product number 3, Jevali Collapsible Colander Set. Now let's take a look at the Jevali Collapsible Colander Set, retailing for $24.99. I was genuinely surprised by how convenient these are. If you want a space-saving solution for washing and draining, this is worth considering. Here's the scoop on this product. This set includes 3 different sizes, 3, 4, and 5 quart, so you can pick the right one for your needs. The collapsible design means you can stack them to just 1.3 inches high, making storage a breeze. They feature a slip-resistant base that allows for safe draining without any mess. And let's be honest, who doesn't love that? Plus, they're dishwasher safe and made from BPA-free materials, which is a big plus for health-conscious cooks. Some users mention that they might not fit well with farmhouse sinks due to the high raised lip. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard sink, these are fantastic and incredibly versatile. This is perfect for you if you need a variety of sizes for different tasks and want to save space. But if you only need one size for larger batches, you might be better off sticking to a traditional spinner. Now, if you're into simplicity and efficiency, the next product may be your best bet. Product number 4, Farberware Pro Pump Spinner. Coming in next is the Farberware Easy-to-Use Pro Pump Spinner, priced at $19.99. What grabbed my attention here is the one-handed operation. It's so user-friendly. If you want something that makes salad prep effortless, this might just do the trick. Here's why this product can help you. With a generous 6.6 quart capacity, it's great for families or when you want to whip up a big salad. The pump mechanism allows you to dry your greens with just one hand, and the soft touch brake button gives you instant control over the spinning action. Plus, the clear bowl is a nice touch since it lets you see when your greens are perfectly dry. The non-slip base means it stays put, so you can spin away without worrying about it tipping over. However, a few users mentioned that it can be a bit difficult to clean due to its design. I'll be real with you, it does take a little more effort, but once you get the hang of it, the drying power is worth it. This spinner is perfect for you if you love preparing large salads for family gatherings. But if you prefer something simple and quick for small portions, this might not be your best option. Now, if you want an option that's specifically made for those quick meals, the next product is right up your alley. Product number 5, Cuisinart Large Spin Stop Salad Spinner. Finally, we have the Cuisinart Large Spin Stop Salad Spinner retailing for $17.95. This one caught my eye because of its new and improved design, and the price is just right. If you're looking for a reliable spinner for larger batches, this is definitely worth your time. So what makes this product special? The easy-to-use spin knob and stop button let you add water without removing the lid, making it super convenient. And don't worry about stability. The non-skid base keeps everything secure while you spin. Plus, it also doubles as a serving bowl, which is a nice bonus. Some customers have noted that the lid can be tricky to click into place at times. But here's the thing, once you figure it out, the ease of use far outweighs that small hassle. This spinner is great for you if you often prepare salads for gatherings or meal prep. But if you only need something for small servings, you might find it a bit too much. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap this up. To quickly recap, we've looked at the OXO Good Grips for one-handed ease, the Cuisinart 3QT for budget-friendly convenience, the Jevali Collapsible Set for space saving, the Farberware Pro for family-sized servings, and the Cuisinart Large Spinner for larger batches. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the OXO Good Grips because it offers the best efficiency with minimal effort. Make sure to avoid the Jevali if you have a farmhouse sink, as it might not fit well. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.